Time for left turn lane. Yeah, you gotta get out of here. Welcome to the... whatever. Get the idea. Fireworks! Red light run, red light run, red light red, 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 red. You know the fucking song. No stop. Ah, so close. I thought you were going to stop, but you didn't. Yeah, no stop again. Holy shit, someone stopped. It's amazing. Good job, Screwbaroo, but the Honda Accord will not. Because we can't have nice things. No stop. I was right.
And this case is not, I don't think, at least from my listening of the oral arguments, I didn't read the briefs, the original briefs.
Exit dive way up there.
The arguments in the Supreme Court that I listened to about...
That's not how that left turn works. Exit dive. It's all the way from the left. I don't think he went over in time. Nope. What the fuck are you doing, dude? You're in the middle of the intersection now. You're just gonna sit there like an idiot. Back up or... like... Nissan drivers! You guys suck! All of you do! Ooh, a nice cutoff up there. Yeah, it wasn't exactly clear for you to make their left turn yet. Red light run, red light run, red, 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 red light run.
It occurred to her that mercy was the ability to stop, if only for a moment. There was no mercy where there could be no stopping. How do you feel? She recognized that his question was directed at her pregnancy. Said, "Your sister won't be born for many months yet. I still feel physically adequate." And she thought, how stiffly formal I speak to my own son. Then, because it was the Bene Gesserit way to seek within for the answer to such an oddity, she searched and found the source of her formality. "I'm afraid of my son. I fear his strangeness. I fear what he may see ahead of us, what he may do."
What is that BMW doing?
Paul pulled his hood down over his eyes, listened to the bug-hustling sounds of the night. His lungs were charged with his own silence. His nose, he rubbed it, removed the filter, and grew conscious of the rich smell of cinnamon. "There's melange spice nearby," he said.
Why do you have saran wrap on your grill? Nope. Yeah, you wait until after. Yeah, you stupid. Dumb, dumb, dumb. Stop it. You're doing everything wrong.
So out there. I would say, based on that answer,
he's making like no effort to move over. Nope. Too late. Here's the thing. I'm slowing down to let these guys pass me faster. So guess what? I can move over just in time. This is not a hard concept to master, people. I mean, seriously.
In a press scandal that was exploited by her academic opponents, Curie then
Exit dive.
was misrepresented in the tabloids.
Exit dive behind me.
Navigate two-year-old space, so we just decided.
No, not at all. Thanks so much for thinking of me. I really mean
Nice
so
cut
much.
off
And
behind
Bill,
me
I
again.
want you to know this.
Extra regret.
What happened and all.
Yeah.
He's too easy to put the ball in the air. Listen, he does throw a lot of ground balls, but when he doesn't
Nice cut off.
get big strikeouts, and he's easy if you know what you're doing to lift the ball against it. Balls yesterday, 2 of those 3 home. But Yankee Stadium, they're home runs, and the Yankees have hit plenty of those too. He gives up a lot of those.
Oh, yeah, he got flipped off, too.
Fly balls.
Uh,
That when they hit pretty well.
Established a stipend for her. Its previous recipient was Louis Pasteur. In 1921, she was welcomed
Nice cut off.
triumphantly when she toured the United States.
Not to be outdone, Chicago wanted to get in the burgeoning boat disaster market. So in
No, stop.
1902, a steamship called the SS Eastland was built.
no, stop. Wait. That was not a right turn only lane.
Maybe one can stand on all the other one's shoulders. You just need one really big
No,
turn
stop.
scope that gets
Nissan
you
drivers. No, stop.
Like this rebranding of the Civil War and all that, you know, like rebranding.
No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on the throughway right outside of Rochester. They don't allow trailers in the left lane here. No, no, no. You cannot be here. Brush up on the laws. You're probably from out of state or something. I don't know. But you're dumb and you're in the video. Haha. Sucks to be you. Oh well. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right. I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye.